Stock number 40765G or 65W. It's a 2017 Jaguar Xf. It does have a key, it does not start. See the surface scratches on the front bumper. The hood is good, the headlight is great, passenger door is no good, passenger back door is no good, quarter panel is no good, rear bumper is no good. Quarter panel's got a surface scratch on it. Got a little parking lot ding down there. It does have a key, it does not start. Seats are electric. The passenger airbag is deployed. Stuck right there. It does have a sunroof. The seatbelt's good. Seatbelt's good. Door don't open. This is stock number 40765W. It is a 2017 Jaguar Xf. It does have a key, it does not start.